Did you know that the industry value of whole life insurance is projected to exceed $2 trillion globally by 2026? That's a lot of money flowing into this type of insurance, and it shows that people are looking for ways to protect their families and grow their wealth. But is whole life insurance the right choice for you? Let's dive in and find out. Whole life insurance is designed to provide lifelong financial protection for your beneficiaries. Unlike term life insurance, which only covers you for a specific period, whole life insurance remains in effect for your entire life, as long as you continue to pay the premiums. This means that no matter when you pass away, your beneficiaries will receive a death benefit. This can provide peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of financially, even after you're gone. When you pass away, your beneficiaries will receive a death benefit. This death benefit is a lump sum of money that can be used in various ways. For instance, it can help cover the cost of your funeral and burial, which can be quite expensive. It can also be used to pay off any outstanding debts you may have, such as a mortgage, car loan, or credit card balances. This can relieve your family of financial burdens during a difficult time. This money can be used to cover funeral expenses, pay off debts, or provide for your family's future. Additionally, the death benefit can serve as a financial cushion for your family, helping them maintain their standard of living. It can be used to cover everyday expenses such as groceries, utilities, and education costs. This can be especially important if you are the primary breadwinner in your family. The financial support from the death benefit can give your loved ones the time they need to adjust to their new circumstances without the added stress of financial worries. This is a major advantage over term life insurance, which only pays out a death benefit if you die during the term of the policy. With whole life insurance, there is no term limit, so your beneficiaries are guaranteed to receive the death benefit whenever you pass away. This can provide a greater sense of security, knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what. Additionally, whole life insurance policies often come with a cash value component, which can be a valuable financial asset. However, whole life insurance is also more expensive than term life insurance. The higher premiums reflect the lifelong coverage and the added benefits that come with whole life insurance. It's important to carefully consider whether the higher cost is worth it for you and your family. You may want to consult with a financial advisor to help you weigh the pros and cons and determine the best type of life insurance for your needs. This is because you are paying for the lifelong coverage and the investment component. The cash value component of a whole life insurance policy can grow over time, providing you with a source of funds that you can borrow against or withdraw if needed. This can be a useful financial tool for long-term planning and can provide additional financial security. However, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of your policy, as there may be fees or penalties associated with accessing the cash value. You need to decide if the benefits of whole life insurance are worth the higher cost. Consider your financial situation, your long-term goals, and the needs of your beneficiaries. Whole life insurance can be a valuable part of a comprehensive financial plan, providing both protection and potential financial growth. Take the time to research your options and consult with professionals to make an informed decision that best meets your needs and the needs of your loved ones. There are a lot of misconceptions about whole life insurance. Many people find themselves puzzled when they first encounter the concept. They might hear conflicting advice from friends, family, or even financial experts, which only adds to the confusion. Some people believe that it's a bad investment, thinking that the returns are not worth the premiums paid. They might compare it to other investment vehicles like stocks or mutual funds and feel that whole life insurance falls short. Others think it's too complicated to understand. The various terms, conditions, and benefits can seem overwhelming. They might feel that they need a degree in finance just to make sense of it all. It's important to separate fact from fiction so you can make an informed decision. Understanding the basics of whole life insurance can help you see through the myths and make a choice that aligns with your financial goals. One common misconception is that whole life insurance is a rip-off sold by pushy salespeople. This stereotype can deter people from even considering it as a viable option. While there are some bad apples in every industry, there are also many reputable insurance agents who can help you find the right policy for your needs. These professionals can provide valuable insights and guide you through the process. Another misconception is that whole life insurance is too expensive. people often balk at the higher premiums without considering the long-term benefits. While it's true that whole life insurance premiums are higher than term life insurance premiums, it's important to remember that you're getting more coverage. Whole life insurance not only provides a death benefit, but also has a savings component that can grow over time. You're also getting the potential to build cash value over time. This cash value can be borrowed against or even used to pay premiums in the future, offering a level of financial flexibility that term life insurance does not provide. Additionally, the cash value grows tax-deferred, which can be a significant advantage. Another point to consider is that whole life insurance can be a valuable tool for estate planning. It can help ensure that your loved ones are taken care of financially after you're gone. The death benefit can be used to pay estate taxes, debts, or provide a financial cushion for your family. In conclusion, while whole life insurance may not be the right choice for everyone, it's important to understand its benefits and drawbacks fully. By separating fact from fiction, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and provides peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that offers lifelong coverage. It also has a cash value component that grows tax-deferred. This means you won't pay taxes on the growth of your cash value until you withdraw it. You can borrow against your cash value or withdraw it if you need to access the money. However, if you die with a loan outstanding, the death benefit will be reduced by the amount of the loan. Section 5 Cash Value, the investment component. The cash value of your whole life insurance policy grows at a guaranteed rate. This means that your money is safe from market volatility. However, the guaranteed rate of return is typically very low. It's often not much higher than the rate of inflation. Some whole life insurance policies offer the potential for higher returns through dividends. Dividends are a portion of the insurance company's profits that are paid out to policyholders. Section 6. Whole life versus term life insurance. Whole life insurance and term life insurance are two very different types of life insurance. Term life insurance is a much simpler product. It provides coverage for a specific period and that's it. There's no cash value component. Term life insurance is also much more affordable than whole life insurance. This is because you're only paying for coverage for a limited time. If you die during the term of the policy, your beneficiaries will receive a death benefit. Section 7 Pros and Cons, Weighing your options. There are both pros and cons to consider when deciding if whole life insurance is right for you. It's a significant decision that requires careful thought and consideration. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that provides coverage for the insured's entire lifetime, as long as premiums are paid. This can offer a sense of security and stability, knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of no matter what happens. On the plus side, whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage, guaranteed cash value growth, and tax-deferred growth. The cash value component of a whole life policy can be particularly appealing as it grows over time and can be borrowed against or even withdrawn if needed. This can provide a financial cushion in times of need or an additional source of funds for major expenses such as education or retirement. It can be a good option for people who want the peace of mind of knowing that their families will be financially protected no matter what. This sense of security can be invaluable, especially for those with dependents or significant financial obligations. Whole life insurance can also be a useful tool for estate planning, helping to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are not burdened with estate taxes or other financial challenges. However, whole life insurance is also more expensive than term life insurance. The higher premiums can be a significant drawback, especially for those on a tight budget. It's important to weigh the cost against the benefits and consider whether the additional features and lifelong coverage are worth the extra expense. Additionally, the cash value growth may not be as high as other investment options, so it's crucial to evaluate your overall financial strategy. It can be complex to understand with various terms and conditions that can be confusing. Policies can vary significantly between different insurance companies, so it's essential to read the fine print and fully understand what you're signing up for. Consulting with a financial advisor or insurance expert can help clarify the details and ensure that you're making an informed decision. And it's important to choose a reputable insurance company. The stability and reliability of the insurer can make a big difference in the long run. Look for companies with strong financial ratings and positive customer reviews. Doing your homework and selecting a trustworthy provider can give you confidence that your policy will be honored and that your investment is secure. Section 8. Making informed decisions. Making financial decisions can be challenging. When it comes to whole life insurance, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Consider your individual needs and financial goals. If you're not sure whether whole life insurance is right for you, talk to a financial advisor. They can help you assess your needs and recommend the best course of action. Section 9. Share your story. Have you had any experience with whole life insurance? Do you have any questions or concerns? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others make informed decisions about their financial future. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about whole life insurance, the better equipped you'll be to make the best decision for yourself and your family.